Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afra, janin. I am an English literature student from Unpam University. So, in this occasions, I want to present my presentations that talk about meaning and readings from Semantic Meeting 3. So, let's get to the material. In order to understand meaning and readings, we knew that in some occasions, expressions are treated as if they only have one meaning. Of course not. Even a full sentence can have multiple meanings. This technical term is called ambiguity. An expression or utterance is ambiguous if it is said in more than one way. But according to ambiguity, first what we have to know and understand is lexeme. A lexeme is a unit of language that represents a word from the dictionary or in its basic form, such as the root word of a word part, and has a basic meaning that is general or global. For example, the lexeme rhymed in running, runs, and runs. Then the lexeme go in going, when, and goes. So the lexeme of a word running is run and going is go. Next, there are two forms of ambiguity. The first is homonymy and the second is polysemy. What is homonymy? Homonymy is a linguistic phenomenon where two or more words have the same or similar form but different meanings. And polysemy is a linguistic phenomenon where a single word has multiple related meanings. These are examples. For the first is we going to talk about the example from homonymy. We take the example of the word bat, which means nocturnal mammal with membranous wings, but can also be interpreted as an implement for striking the ball in the sport of baseball. Both have the same spelling and pronunciations, but completely different meanings. And polysemy, we take the example from the word run. In the sentence, she went for a run in the park, means to move swiftly on foot, often involving a quick pace or jog. While run in the sentence, he runs a successful restaurant downtown, means to manage or operate something, such as business or organizations. Polysemy itself has meaning that are related to each other. So if there's a word that have the same spelling and pronunciations but different meanings, and the meaning is not related to each other, there must be homonymy. And if there's if there's words that have same spelling and same pronunciations and have the same meaning and the meaning is related to each other, that called polysemy. And we are, for last but not least, we're going to the conclusions. So in summary, the study of meaning and readings in language involves understanding that words can have multiple interpretations, which is known as ambiguity. Ambiguity comes in two forms, homonymy and polysemy. Homonymy occurs when words have the same form but unrelated meanings, while polysemy happens when a word has multiple related meanings. Distinguishing between these concepts helps us grasp the nuances of language and its usage in different situations. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.